Catherine from Pa. Alam mo na raw yun. Steven. And I'd like to say hi to a new friend that I've made. His name is Johnny. He can't see. So he's enjoying the concert now. He's enjoying your voices also. If you could sing with us any of the songs that you know tonight, please. It's going to make his evening much more memorable, much more magical. So I don't know where you are, Johnny, but you are here. I hope that you are. I can still remember. Don't know what to do. Each and every day I live, holding back the tears, we're trying it all my life. Because you're gonna left me standing all alone. And I know I've got to face tomorrow on my own. But baby,
hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true. You'll be forever in my heart, and I know that no one else will do. Before I let you go, I want to say
what?
I love you.
Like before, no, I could have given you so much more. Even though you know I've given you all my love. I miss a smile, I miss a kiss. Each and every day I have my hands. 'Cause baby, it's you that I'm always dreaming of. Because you para sa lahat ng mga malungkot ngayong Valentine's Day. Good luck sa inyo. makakahanap rin kayo ng mas okay kaysa doon. Kalimutan nyo na yung walang yan. Never mind, never mind. Kung nagpagamit ng kayo, ox na. Yes. Gamitin nyo muna bago nyo. No, but seriously, good luck. I'm sure that you will meet somebody better. This might be your year. Let's pray for it. This might be your Valentine's Day. Baka dito nyo makakilala.